Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Kibran sa Dimaporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, and just recently our neighbors in Iligan City were hit badly by Typhoon Basyang. And our municipality, the municipality of Taguluan in Lanao del Norte, which is in the outer boundaries of Iligan City, sa bukid na area, was also badly hit. We had some landslides. I think we had one casualty also there. Nahihirapan yung mga tao. So what we did is we immediately mobilized to assist our constituents in the municipality of Taguluan. Very happy for the output of our disaster response team. They immediately deployed to the municipality of Taguluan, and in doing so, we had to clear our way to Taguluan, and this included the Pugaan landslide area in Iligan City. So nandyan yung mga tao ng Kapitolyo, our equipment, clearing our way, clearing the roads to Taguluan. Thankfully, we've reached Taguluan and we've cleared the majority of the landslides that happened in our municipality there. Tapos on top of that, we sent our medical teams to conduct food and aid distribution. Ginamit namin yung food truck or yung mobile kitchen, and we were able to also provide a medical mission in the area. So I'm very happy for the ability of the Capitol to respond. Of course, nobody's perfect. We take these situations as a part of our duty, our mandate for the people of Lanao del Norte, but also as a time to learn so that we can be better in being disaster prepared. So to our constituents in the municipality of Taguluan, as always, we'll try our best to make sure that we return Taguluan to normalcy, and not only that, with the support of Congress, improve our municipality of Taguluan and build better roads.